few transmissions loaded up back there. Don't mind all the boxes and crap. I just didn't want them knocking together. Anyway, I'm gonna drop this off at this guy. He's gonna rebuild. I'll check him out first. Well, didn't do too well with my box job. Anyway, we're gonna have them checked out real quick. The bell housing swapped. Just make sure they're good to go. Hate to put a bad transmission in at this point. So yeah, almost there. Ripped that bell housing all the way out, cracked it all up. So hopefully the transmission's good, and we just got to replace this bell housing. A little worried about that input shaft where the pressure plate came apart, but yeah, hopefully get this thing back together, rebuilt. Pretty crazy. We're gonna have some story time on what happened here. What do you guys think? Put in the comments what you think happened. Hey guys, I am back this week anyway, but yeah, man, there's so much construction going on. I don't know if you guys can see all that everywhere. That's one reason I haven't been posting a whole crazy amount. There's construction everywhere in the town I live. New roads, this whole new road over here, new bridges back behind me. Yeah, it's been a mess. So getting to the shop hasn't been the easiest. But anyway, first things first, I gotta run and get a monster. That's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to head over to the shop. Got a couple stories to tell you. Got well, a new truck. You know, nothing too special, but ended up selling the transit van and bought a new truck. So yeah, I got a couple things to discuss in this this episode. So I didn't get a monster. Like, when did monsters become like almost $4 a can? Okay, I'm exaggerating just a little bit, but $3.29 a can for a monster? I don't know if I agree with that. Anyway, so I ended up with a couple rock stars. So I guess, yeah, it's like almost 75 cents cheaper a can for a Rockstar than it was for a Monster. Come on, Monster, lower your prices. Can't be buying Rockstars all the time. They're not my ultimate favorite, but they're going to if they're that much cheaper. Jeez. All right, so now got my Monster Rockstar, got my Rockstar. And I'm going to go flip a U-turn because I got this divider in the way. You know what? Maybe I'm just gonna go get some lunch. Yeah, that's a good idea. Lunchtime. We're gonna go get some lunch. I'm gonna digress a lot. Anyway, we'll go get some lunch. That way I don't have to turn around. And then, yeah, it'll be storytelling time. You guys will be probably disappointed in me, but maybe not. I don't know. We all make mistakes. Just let me know. Let me know what you guys feel. This, I thought was a good deal. The guy who had it before me put a new clutch in it and the clutch exploded. And I will put the pictures now. I figured I got a clutch, I have all the parts, I could get it put together fairly quick and then just have a good daily, you know, just have a good quick driver and make it work out good. So I pulled the tranny out, pulled the old clutch out, what's left of it, and it's been fun little project so far. It has a really clean interior, it has brand new, the guy put brand new wheels on it. It's got cross-drilled slotted rotors. It is a little dirty. It sat outside for a little bit. He put coilovers all the way around. Needs new rear tires, but the front tires are like brand new. I mean, it's definitely like a 20-foot car. And there's a lot of waves right here in the door. A ding right up here. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it was just gonna be a good driver. So, and here we are. Nothing ever can go easy. it seems like in my life. So right there, this is the Saline motor, the 88 Saline. There's the 4.6. I've got valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, and remain that I'm going to do to it before I put it back. And transmission's done. Clutch, just bought a cheap clutch. Ball joints, tie rod ends, motor mounts, new clutch cable, trans mount. Yeah, so the front of this car will be pretty stout once I get it done. But again, this isn't the correct way to fix this issue. This is just a do-it-yourselfer. Yeah, so don't follow what I'm doing. But yeah, disclaimer: don't do this. Disclaimer: just don't buy a car that's so rusty. That's easier said than done, right? When you think you have a deal. This side I got a piece on. I've got a little piece I got to weld in right there. There's a reason I didn't weld that in. That's for my own dealing. Again, little bit of waves on it, on the door. But overall, it's pretty good, clean car, minus the rust. So anyway, I'll do some videos if you guys want on this, getting the engine back in, putting the clutch in. Kind of a fun little project. It's the 13 F-150. Bought it from Haackemotors, my brother's dealership. Took it in on trade. Thought it would be a good little truck to buy. Overall, it's pretty decent shape. Really like it for what it is. So that is new on the channel, guys. So we'll do a little bit of stuff, tune-up stuff. I ain't gonna do anything crazy. So that's new in the channel. So yeah. What else can we talk about? Right there, you can see just how much rust and junk's on there. I mean, yeah, none of this stuff I could really see when I was looking at the car, and I feel really dumb getting it together. There's the pressure plate. So motor mounts are toast, I knew that. And then some cheap coilovers that the guy had that put on it. You know, brand new brakes, rotors, all the way around. But yeah, just a rusty bucket. So sorry guys, should have known better. Shouldn't have bought this car. Should have waited. But I got excited and pulled the trigger a little too soon. So anyways, for that goes, yeah, we're gonna have a 2000 GT on the channel. That's not gonna be, I mean, it's more of just a daily, just a whoopty, nothing crazy. Yeah, so goal is get this thing done, get it back on the road. So guys, just that rust kills me. So just be careful. Warning to the wise, 2000 GTs apparently didn't know this, but they do have a rust issue on the subframes, or on the engine rails, or whatever you want to call it, frame rails. So lesson learned. I'm gonna end that here. I'll get some more footage of working at another date. Gotta run a quick errand real quick, and then I'll come back and maybe get some time lapses of working on this thing. But overall, like I said, a little beat up. It wasn't definitely wasn't a show car. I didn't buy it to be a show car. I didn't buy it to be a race car. I just bought it to get me back and forth to work, and just something to play with a little bit. But I'll get it back together. It'll get back together and it'll run good. So anyway guys, thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be